Student, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm Veena Dikshit. I will help you for all the concept cleared in chemistry. Okay, how much would be needed to deposit 0.25 gram of metallic nickel? What you have to do, take your notebook and write down each and everything, then it will be very easy for you. And listen my video and you will find that it is easier for you. 0.25 gram of metallic nickel. Atomic mass of nickel is 58.5. Metal deposit using current. How much current is supplied? 1 ampere current during electroplating. So how much would be needed to deposit? How much would be needed to deposit means here what we have to see, how much time we have to say. That is better because we have to find out the time, how much time would be needed to deposit 0.25 gram of metallic nickel, atomic mass 58.5, metal deposit using a current of 1 ampere during electroplating. So you should know that Ni is heavy, carrying 2 positive charge. So 2 Faraday electricity is passed, then it will convert it into nickel as metal deposited. So 2 Faraday, it is the charge of 2 mole of electrons. 1 mole of nickel 2 positive give 1 mole of nickel metal. Okay, that is equivalent to here 58.5 grams. Okay, 58.5 gram deposited by 2 Faraday, and 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulombs. So 2 Faraday will be equal to twice of 96500 coulomb. Okay, so this much charge required to deposit 58.5 gram of nickel. So 0.25 gram of nickel require how much? So calculate it out, very simple maths. 58.5 gram of nickel deposited by this much electricity passed, and then given amount is 0.25. So in this way we will find out how much charge, how much electricity is supplied through the solution of to get nickel. Okay, so 824.8 coulomb will be there. This is the charge. Now amount of electricity passed is equal to current in ampere multiplied by time in second. So we have seen that in this Q, charge is equal to 824.8. We will put the value 1 ampere current, time in second we have to find out. So time is equal to coulomb divided by ampere given. So it is coming to be 824.8 seconds. So convert it into minutes. So it is coming to be 13.74 minutes. So this much time required to deposit 0.25 gram of nickel. Okay, so time taken to deposit 0.25 gram of nickel will be 13.74, or you can say 824.8 seconds. Here it was in coulomb.